The theme of Memorial Day is honor. And this honor applies both to those who fought in battle and gave all of themselves, fell and were killed in battle, to honor them and honor their memory. It's also meant to honor those who fought in battle and survived. It also honors those who survived as civilians and cooperated with the effort in these battles. And for this, we all celebrate. There is one musical instrument that has its most effective result in a person's emotions on Memorial Day, and that's the bugle. Some people like to think that the bugle is meant only for taps. I don't like that. I feel the bugle should be just as important for reveille. And if this symbol of Memorial Day is the bugle for taps, well, I can understand. This is very well for those who fell in battle. And for them we say, rest in peace. You've done a good job. You've given your all. And the result is we have a beautiful nation. People enjoying their lives and accomplishing great things as a result of your effort. And you look downward from heaven and you are satisfied with the appreciation given to you. That's the taps. Telling these heroes, you've done a good job, now rest in peace. At the same time, it is only meaningful that we honor those who survived by giving of ourselves in order to pursue peace. Reveille. Come on, get up, get up, get up. That's what the bugle of mourning is, reveille. And how do we really honor them? By recognizing the cause for which they gave their lives. We recognize that cause, and we dedicate ourselves to a fraction of the dedication and commitment that they gave in order to maintain the freedom and the peace of our country. If that's the case, then the honor is a true honor. But it's a false honor if all they say is, well, they died and we're alive and we're going to have a barbecue. That is totally not within the spirit of Memorial Day, and we should totally reject that idea. But rather, to commit ourselves to the good and welfare of the United States of America, first of all, by being good citizens, and secondly, to the candidates that run for office. The message should be, we don't like what you're saying. What you're doing is demeaning the other people. You don't hear a word about the great things that we appreciate in the United States, telling us about the terrible things that go on. We don't appreciate that kind of memorial. We want you to look at the bugle and listen to it. And even though you might hear the sound of taps, you should personally assume the sound of reveille to get up, dedicate yourself, and pursue peace.